I'm Alex. Today we are going to go over 3 cardio kicking drills that are definitely going to get you tired. Now let's get started. Now all 3 of these cardio kicking drills are meant to have a little bit more on the higher rep side, and you're not going to be going at a super fast or super hard pace. It's more going to be just maintaining a good steady pace, but doing a lot of kicks and keeping your body moving. Now, you can also kind of change up the repetitions. You can do lower repetitions and kick faster and harder, or you can even up the repetitions and go at a little bit slower pace. But we want to kind of find that middle ground where you have a little bit of speed, a little bit of power, but you're able to really work that endurance and kick for a long period of time. Now, this first one is going to be very simple. It's just going to contain repeating roundhouse kicks. You're just going to be doing right leg repeating roundhouse kick, left leg repeating roundhouse kick, and then alternating roundhouse kicks, okay? So it's gonna go like this. You're gonna do 10 right, 10 left, 10 alternating. The goal is to be able to do 3 sets back to back to back. Now, depending on how well you're able to kick and how long you're able to kick for, you can kind of break it up into sets. So do the 10, 10, and 10, which is gonna be 30 kicks. Try to do that, short pause, do another set of 30, short pause, and then do the last 30. If your endurance is pretty good, I want you to try to do all 3 sets back to back to back. So it's gonna go 10, 10, 10, and then you restart 10, 10, and 10, okay? So basically you're just doing 10 right leg repeating kicks, which looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, alternating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I want you to repeat that 2 more times, and that's going to be your first kicking drill. Now, this next kicking drill is going to be a little bit slower pace because we're going to be adding a head kick. So you're going to do a roundhouse kick to the body, and then you're going to do an axe towards the face. Okay, so it's going to look like this. You're going to go to the body, down, head, body, head, just like that, okay? So it's going to be more of that repeating motion, not super fast. Like I said, it is going to be kind of difficult to get that axe motion towards the head, but really focus on getting that repeating motion. So here, just like this. You can do it in the air, you can do it on a bob or on targets, whichever works for you. If you're kind of new to getting it down, I would practice it in the air first. That way you're able to kind of get your leg up here. And just focus on going back and forth. What you're gonna do, we're gonna do 10 with the right, 10 with the left. That's gonna be 1 set. You're gonna do 3 sets of that, okay? So each head kick counts as 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna go all the way to 10, and then once you do 10, then you're gonna switch to the other side. Okay, so 10 right, 10 left, 3 total sets. This last drill is going to be switching fast kicks. So this one definitely take a little bit slower. This involves a little bit of footwork with the drill. So all you're gonna do, you're going to skip, fast kick, skip back, switch your feet, other side, okay? So you do a fast kick motion, come back, switch, and then do the other side. And how we're gonna do it for this, we're gonna kind of build up on the sets. First set, you're going to do 10 kicks total. Second set, you're going to do 20. Third set, you're going to do 30. Okay, so that's kind of how we kind of build up, because it takes a little bit of time to get the rhythm down. So it's gonna look like this: kick, back, switch. Like I said, you're working on the kick, you're working on in, out, that switching motion. It's also going to kind of help build a little bit of coordination with the feet as well. So like I said, first set, 10, second set 20, last set 30 kicks. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to let me know what else you'd like to see in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys later.